Hi, it's Natalie with WTI. You can probably agree with me that we all live busy lives. We're constantly running out the door, and one of the things that I always forget are my cards that I need, whether I'm at a store or my license because I'm driving. But my new lifesaver is this card holder from BIAJIYA. I love that I can leave my house without my wallet because everything I need is right attached to my phone. The BIAJIYA card holder does such a great job of sticking onto my phone. The application process is really easy and it sticks so well to my actual phone case. You can either put it on your phone case or you can remove your case and put it on the back of your phone. I've had mine stuck on the back of my phone for quite a while now and it hasn't come off. You can easily remove the cards and insert. I like that I have both the cards that I need, but I think it could easily hold up to 4 cards. For a great price, you get tons of colors. You can easily give them away. I gave one to my husband in the color orange and he absolutely loves his. So it's definitely the perfect item to give not only for yourself, but also as a gift. The product is made out of silicone and it's really durable. It hasn't ripped or teared. So definitely make life simpler by getting this card holder from BIAJIYA. It's gonna save you the stress of always looking for your cards. That's my point of view.